This was nothing. It was just paper. And then this is the carry thing for it. This looks like a headband. That's what it looks like. Let's see. This right here is, oh, mascara. Right on. Okay. This right here is, I got the crayon. I got the pink orchid. You can pick out what you want on that. This is what? The serum. You see that? Serum. It's nice packaging. Take care of their products. Okay, this one is lip gloss. And I got the Raspberry Paradise. Okay, you open this. More tissue paper. Tissue paper. Okay. This right here is what? Let's find out. Mesoderm cream. Cool. All of their products are made in France. Okay. Let's see what else. This is eye lip contour. Right on. Diamond Dust face powder. This is the powder eyeshadow. Let's see, what is this? Thermo Slimming Gel. Okay. Marine Collagen Body Lotion. This is the wrap kit for the lotion liposuction. Okay. You get brushes, which I love. Okay. This right here is the brow wax. And they gave you a sponge for your contouring. That's it. So, this is in the $120 kit, Acti Labs. And I'm going to be selling this. So, you can join for $27.50 if you just get the virtual package. That means you get no products. But if you the cheapest products for the kit is the selfie, and it's $45. It's a one-time fee. There's no, you do not have to buy, it's not auto shipping. You don't have to pay every month for products like a lot of network marketing, direct sales companies where you have to pay for a product each time. This is one time. You get the kit, you sell it, and you sell other kits to other people. Who doesn't like free makeup, right? And contact me on Facebook. My Facebook page is Urbanchicafashionista. That's where you can find what I'm selling, Acti Labs, and other products online. You guys have a great day. Today is June the 16th, 2016. Goodbye.